welcome back. So in this video we will create a simple button function for Android. So first we will select the game window and set ratio to 16:19. So after that we will drag a rocket sprite into the game scene so that we could control him. So I will select rocket sprite and drag it into game scene. So now we are good to go. So now let it load. So now you can see it is loaded already. So we'll select rocket and add a new component called rigid body 2D. Rigid body 2D mainly gives friction to particular sprite or thing. So we'll set gravity scale to 0. It has gravity scale 1, so it gives gravity. So we will set gravity scale to 0 as we want our player to control. So first we'll right click on hierarchy and select U and create a new button. So now after creating a new button, it will take a little bit of time and it is created. So now we will delete the text under the buttons category. So we will select button and delete the text. So after we do that, we will select the canvas and set its UI scale mode to scale with screen size. So under canvas scaler we can find it. So we will set it to scale with screen size. So as we want it to scale with our screen size, so first we will select button and set its width and height to 100. So first I will zoom out so that we could see properly and work. So I will zoom out and we will set the width to 100. So after we set the width to 100, we will set the height as same value. So we have set it to 100 value. Now we will set it properly. So I have set it down at bottom left corner. So now I have done this. So I will zoom out, and so we need to create two buttons. So first I will create down button. So I will select the down button and set its sprite mode to multiple, as there are two sprites in it. So I will click on sprite mode and convert it into multiple. Then I will hit apply, and then I will go to the sprite editor from the upper option. So this is the sprite editor. Now click on slice and click on slice again. So our first down button is okay, but our second down button we need to increase its size. So we will simply increase its size by dragging it and hit apply. So now we have to create the button. So we will do the same thing as the down button. Sprite mode will set to multiple and hit apply and go to sprite editor, and first is okay and second one we have to change its size and grow it bigger. So this is okay. We will hit apply, and now we have two buttons, you can say. So first we have to select button, drag the down button 1 to UI sprite. So this will look like down button. So you can see we have a down button. Now we will scroll it and we will set the set the transparency mode to sprite swap. So now you can see a pressed sprite option. So we will drag a down button 2 into it. So now we have done it. So we will duplicate this to make a button. So we will duplicate it and drag it little upwards. So we will drag it upwards by move tool. So now we have dragged it upwards. So now we will rename it as a button. So now we have two buttons. One is up button. So we will drag up button 1 to UI sprite, and now we will drag up button 2 to the pressed sprite. So now we have two buttons, as you can see. Now I will rename up button. I will rename down button to down button and up button to up button. So now I will rename it. So after renaming it, so we need a script of behavior so that we can control our player with down button and up button. I have a script, so I will open it and show it to you. First I will open the script, and you can see this is the script. I will leave a link in the description. Now we will click on rocket and drag the script here. So we will drag our script here. so it is not getting dragged. I don't know why. So we will select the rocket, but still it is not getting dragged. I don't know why. So we can do in another method by adding as the component. So we can do simply like that. So I will try once again, but it is not happening. So I will click on add component and I will search move. So this is move up down script. So now we have move up down script and we have made our buttons. So all is set. So we will select to the down button and click add function, add component, and we will add a new component as event trigger. So we will click on event trigger. So now we will click on add new event trigger and we will click pointer up, pointer down or pointer up. So first we will click on pointer down. So after clicking on pointer down, we will click on plus icon. So after clicking on plus icon, so we will bring our rocket on none. So we will leave our rocket here, and now we will go in function, move down, and we will select pointer down. So move down function. So now we will add new event type called pointer up, and now we will scroll it down. So rocket is already added. We'll again select function mode, UI, and stop moving. So this is our function for down button. Same thing we will do for up button. Add component, event trigger, scroll down, add new type of event, click on pointer up, pointer down. So now in pointer down we will add pointer up function, means move up function. So we will drag a rocket and click on move up function. So this is our move up function. We can see after move down. So we have done. So we will click on add new. So now we will click on pointer up, and now rocket is already placed. So now we will click on stop moving. Now we have done. So now we can test it. So now we will hit play. In my device it takes times for loading, so we will wait till it loads. So now it will work perfectly on every device. So now it is loading. As you can see, now it will take only few minutes, and now it has gotten load. So if we click up button, so it is going up, and down button, so it is going down. So finally it worked. So if you are new to channel, I consider you for subscribing for more such fun tutorials. So now if you have subscribed, you can click bell icon for notification. I think this is enough for today's video. So we will meet in next video with such fun tutorials. So I think you enjoyed this tutorial. So for now, goodbye.